This application video describes how to install the 3RU Net Direct air inlet duct to the Cisco Nexus 93128 switch and cable up the switch using Cat6a copper cabling. First, install the switch in the desired rack space. Install the 3RU duct in the front of the cabinet in the corresponding 3RU in which the switch was installed. Once the switch and the duct are secured, push the slide within the duct up to the back of the switch. There is a locking mechanism in the slide to secure the slide to the back of the switch. Once the switch and duct are secured, push the slide within the duct up to the back of the switch. Cat6a copper cabling will be used to connect the server to the switch. The Cat6a copper cables are simply connected from the RJ45 port on the server to the RJ45 port on the switch. Attach the slack cable assemblies into the horizontal D-ring open access cable manager. When dressing the cables, make sure to attach with tack-tie hook and loop cable ties in the vertical in-cabinet cable manager. We hope this video has provided helpful guidance for installing this switch. For more information, please visit our website listed here.